What's good, Neo family? It's Rey-Jay back with another video, and in this one, I'm going to be talking about the one and only Neo stock and why I'm extremely bullish for the future of this company. I'm also going to talk about the overall market and some breaking news as the second largest pension fund in the United States has loaded the boat on Neo. This is a $319 billion pension fund from the United States, guys, and they have just been buying tons and tons of Neo all of a sudden, showing that they're very, very bullish. Now, before I say anything about which pension fund this is, why this is very bullish news, and where I see Neo's share price going into tomorrow for the next week and the future, I do have to mention some very important things first. The first thing is I'm not a financial planner, so please do not take this as financial advice. And also, if you guys can, please smash the like button if you want to see more videos like this. And not only benefits me, it benefits the entire Neo community as a whole. And the last thing is, if you guys can, please check out the Moomoo link down below in the description. If you do sign up for Moomoo and deposit $100, you're not only going to qualify for up to 5 free stocks, each worth up to $3,500, but you're also going to have the opportunity to win up to $200,000 by simply signing up and depositing $100 for the new year. So if you want a chance to win $200,000, guys, please check out the offer down below. And with that out of the way, let's get on with the video. So looking at Neo, we were down about 6.11% on Friday. And even though we are looking a little bit bearish going into the short term, I'm very, very bullish for the long term. So before I talk about what I see Neo's share price going, let's talk about this first. Check this out right here. Barron's has reported the second largest US pension has bought tons of EV stocks from Neo to Xpeng to Li Auto and Rivian. Once again, very, very bullish news, guys. I'm super excited. The company, the US pension, is known as the California State Teachers Retirement System. Once again, they've tripled their holdings in the EV market makers. So I'm going to show you their holdings in 1 second. This is basically their website. They have approximately $319.8 billion worth of assets under management. Once again, massive, massive news. This is their website. It's known as CalSTRS. Once again, super, super huge fund. It's run by professionals that do their research, and they are managing money for millions upon millions of people to help them retire, guys. And because they're using all this money, they have to be careful when it comes to risks, right? Because they have to have a very, very good risk assessment on what they're doing. And despite that, guys, look at this right here. They are currently holding 305,000 Neo shares. I'm looking at this from their Fintel reports from the SEC. 305,000 Neo shares. They've been buying, hundreds of thousands of them over the last few months, once again showing how bullish they are. If Neo is a trash company, if this company is not going to succeed in the future, if it's going to crash and go to zero and not actually run to the upside, why would such a successful pension fund, why on earth are they buying hundreds of thousands of Neo shares? Once again, this fund is not run by a bunch of little kids or 20-year-olds. It's run by professionals that have been in the market for decades, and they have thousands of people doing research, lots and lots of research every single day. Once again, super bullish news, guys, super bullish news. Now here's the thing about Neo. I'm not saying that this is going to cause Neo to just explode overnight. We know this thing is in the red right now. However, guys, I have not lost faith in this company. I'm super bullish too going for the future, but for the short term, for the next couple of weeks, guys, the market's not in the greatest of positions. And I have to be as real as possible with you. So we did have that gap fill I talked about, the $20 range. I do think Neo's going to drop down there again. I know it's very tough, but the thing is, it's not Neo's fault. They're fundamentally a great company, but we do have tensions rising, in Russia and Ukraine. It's very sad. President Putin, the president of Russia, he recognized two breakaway regions in eastern Ukraine. Once again, I'm not saying that it's confirmed that they're going to be invading. It's just that it seems very probable now. It seems like they're getting ready. It's very tense right now. So this is going to have a negative effect on the market and the US economy, obviously. And as a result, it's going to affect the market because not just Neo is probably going to drop because of this. So is the SPY. So is the Russell 2000. So is Apple. So is, crypto. It's going to be tough, guys. Very, very tough. And it's sad. However, I'm not going to lose faith. I've not lost it. In fact, I'm super excited for the future because I know, look, tragedies may come and it's going to be sad. I know that. But eventually, we're not just going to recover, guys. When the market bounces right back, NEO is going to run up as well. NEO does have squeeze potential based off what I showed you guys. It has high short interest, and there is a lot of manipulation going on. And we are seeing the DOJ kind of getting involved in really looking into what these short sellers are doing. We're seeing new SEC transparency laws coming out. We're seeing the cost to borrow money in America go up, which is going to hurt these shorts. So what I'm trying to say, guys, is I think NEO is going to run soon. I think once we drop, we're going to continue to drop for maybe a week or two because of the Ukraine situation. We're going to start recovering. But once we see the massive squeezes take place, I do believe NEO is also going to have a big run to the upside too. I'm not saying it's going to squeeze to 1,000 a share or like 100. I'm saying that we could see a massive 10, 20, 30% run to the upside after we start to run up to maybe the high 20s or 30s. And that may even bring us up to the 40s or 50s relatively soon once we see the big run up. But we're not there yet. We may see a little bit red for the short term. For the long term, I'm very bullish. And it's not just me, guys. It's also massive US pensions who are also loading the boat on NEO. So I want to end the video by talking about this right here, as NEO has run a very, very prestigious award as shown on their Twitter page. The NEO ES6 won first place in the pure luxury electric vehicle in the 2021 China New Energy Vehicle Initial Quality Study. Once again, guys, they're absolutely killing it. They're doing very, very well. The ES8 won first place in the 2021 China New Electric Vehicle Product Attractiveness Index, or the NEV-APEAL. Once again, they're very luxurious cars. They're doing very, very well. Their deliveries are getting better. They're fundamentally improving, and I can't wait for what the future holds. The short term, yeah, it's looking a little bit bearish. We may drop. We have a gap fill right over here. I know it's a little bit hard for you guys to see. Right here, I have a line right here drawn out for you guys at 20. There's a gap fill right here. So we may have to fill that gap. We may have to go back to 20, but eventually we're going to recover. We're going to break all-time highs again in the future, and I'm still very, very bullish for the future. I don't see a market crash. I see a major correction coming, but followed by a very fast and steady recovery because I have not lost faith. I do believe the market's going to rebound soon after all this is out of the way for the next, I would say, month or so. Once we rebound, guys, NEO is going to run. Once the squeezes start, NEO should have a good run too. And the thing is, for the future, it's still looking very, very bullish, as not just me, but massive pensions are also loading the boat. So that's what I have for this one. I want to thank each and every one of you for listening. I hope I provided value for you guys, and I will most definitely see you guys on the next video. I want to just inform you, okay? Right now, the market's not in a perfect state. This is the time to be greedy when those are fearful. Those are the wisest words for many, intelligent and successful investors. And I'm excited. I'm still excited. I know it's sad. The situation is sad, and I'm not happy about that. But I'm still excited for NEO because I know it's going to recover. I know it's going to break all-time highs again. Just got to give it the time it needs because it's currently a baby that's waiting to grow and explode to the absolute moon. That's what I have for this one. I thank you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. NEO to the moon, and peace out.